Number 4 says we have an arithmetic sequence. So if we've got an arithmetic sequence, that means that we are adding. I'll do the same thing here as we did in the last video. We just made a table. So they're telling us that the second number in the sequence, right, because that would be the second. So the second number in the sequence is 6, and then the third number in the sequence is 10. And then what they want to know is that what is the fourth number in the sequence and what's the fifth number. And again, so this is just a Mathlish English thing. So instead of writing out the words, the third number in the sequence is, that's just our shorthand for that. Alright, well, let's see how it's changing. Well, what plus, we know it's plus because it's arithmetic. So what plus 6 would give you 10? 6 plus 4 would give you 10. Okay, so that means if we're adding 4 each time, 4 more on top of 10 would be 14. 4 more on top of 14 would be 18. Similar to the last one, we said, well, how it's kind of easy to see how that's changing. So what's kind of the proof of that is that if you took your, what we call the common difference, well, just take the second number minus the first number, and then that'll tell you how it's changing. So for instance, in this one, you could say 10 minus 6, which gives you 4, right? So that would tell you how it's changing. But on this one, I think it's probably easy enough just to see how it's changing. So what we're going to fill in the blanks here is that the fourth number is 14, fifth number is 18, and we want to say, well, what's the recursive? Well, to get the next one, you take the one before it, and you add 4. Right? And that ends up being our equation for the recursive. Alright, go ahead and try number 4 on the right side.